यार एक ही दिन में सिंघम बनाओगे क्या? I love him. Everyone loves him. He inspires me a lot, and yeah, I just.
Rajesh Thakkar Academy के बच्चों, thank you so much for being here. Which movie was it?
I don't remember, but I didn't know it was him. And then I realized that he's the star, and then I couldn't believe it.
Did you ever copy Dad's action?
All the time, all the time.
Do you remember which ones? Which
He
sequences?
keeps making fun of me most of the time. And he keeps bullying me by the way.
I don't. He's lying.
वो आपको याद है इन्होंने कौन से की कॉपी करी and you caught him maybe?
No, not really. But what I'm very happy is कि बचपन से not because of films or things like this.
Yeah.
इसको खुद ही शौक था. He's training in a lot of things. He works out on his own. He measures and calculates makes his own meals. In fact, decides his own meals. So he's very conscious like this. और ये मैं नहीं कहूँगा कि सिर्फ मैंने instill किया. It has come from within.
So he's showing off his six-pack abs and going around the house.
Kind of, he does that.
All right, so I have to ask you to have this collaboration, and we watched this film as a legendary. आपके मतलब it's आपके bloodline में है ये. To watch a movie internationally which touched all of us. आप उसके कितने बड़े fan थे to begin with?
I mean, I think पहली आई थी 80s में, and obviously I've been a fan of Jackie Chan always.
Yeah.
I think he's a legend.
Yeah.
And but since then I've been following Karate Kid, and सभी फिल्में बहुत पसंद आई थी. फिर कोबरा का आया. So I followed everything. I mean, I've always been a fan of Karate Kid.
Jackie Chan smiles a lot. Do we agree, guys? He's smiling all the time. You must have had to smile a hell of a lot for this or dubbing.
इसमें बहुत ज़्यादा smiling नहीं था.
Actually, हाँ, yeah. But nonetheless, it must have been. Was it a challenge for you as well? ये आपका Hollywood debut है, and you know you're dubbing.
No, I think it was very comfortable. We started and we wrapped up very fast. In fact.
Was there a scene that you remember, both of you remember from the film that you thought was really interesting? उसका कोई BTS while you all are dubbing together? Were you dubbing together?
We hardly dubbed together.
Okay. But any moment in the movie that you love? You, I'll come to you first.
I love the moment when he's training him. So there's a scene where he's training him and he's really taking the life out of him, and that just reminds me of this guy.
आप पोल खोल रहे हैं क्या? पापा की पोल खोल रहे हैं? तो क्या पापा ने आपको ट्रेन किया है मतलब? That's what you're saying.
बहुत. He trains me every time we go to the gym together.
Ajay, you have to tell us about this. मतलब युग का ये debut है. We can't not know.
But I'm hardly in the gym with him.
So what is the training he's
Most of the
talking
time he
about?
trains himself. Earlier I used to train him. Now he trains me.
Oh, do you want to thank Sony Pictures for doing this for the two of you to come together? Because you being in this frame, the whole media, the whole world watching this, for you to be part of something which is so up your alley, like you and action is synonymous. It's like you don't have to say the two words separately. आपको दोनों के आने का और Sony Pictures को क्या कहना है?
Yeah, I'm very happy. I think they thought of this, and in fact, when you got this offer, he got very excited, and more than anything, he got excited that at this age he wants to work, and he actually wants to work. Not in the film industry. He doesn't know as yet what he wants to do in life, but work. So, and when he started working, he was so excited and happy, and he started throwing tantrums also.
Oh, but you have this dialogue in the
He used to
film.
come home and say, "I'm a working man. I'm very tired. Don't disturb me."
You're ready, babe. You're so ready for this. I'm so excited for you, bro. Okay, so you have this line in the movie, Singham wala line. याद है आपको?
Yeah.
बताओगे? You want to say it in the style that you said it in the film?
यार एक ही दिन में सिंघम बनाओगे क्या?
अजय जी, सिंघम बन गया है कि बनने वाला है कि क्या हो रहा है?
I think सिंघम कोई किसी को नहीं बनाता. सिंघम बनाने वाला एक ही है.
Oh! What a dahad! What a performance! What do you really feel about his performance?
No, he's done very well. I think for me, he's been very natural. Whatever I've heard, he's dubbed it very, very naturally.
Nice.
So and it sounds very real.
Lovely. Karate Kid के आप कितने बड़े fan हैं you?
I love Karate Kid. I've been following it since like forever. I
Yeah.
love it. I watched all the films. I've watched the Jaden Smith one. I've watched Cobra Kai. I kept following the seasons of Cobra Kai, and now just to get this, it was really exciting.
Were you watching it on repeat and that's why it's inside of you how this works and how this goes on screen?
Probably.
Was it easy to emote the action sequences? Because you have to, you have to feel the pain, you have to feel that entire thing on screen.
It was confusing because it was my first time.
Yeah.
So to do that for like the first time, it was a little tricky.
अब पापा ने कहा बहुत सारी चीजें सीख रहे हैं. So before I ask you the last question, what is it that you're training in with all the fitness?
Just trying to be fit.
And not eat the wrong things.
Yeah.
You want to tell that to the youngsters here? That eat healthy?
Yeah, eat healthy, don't get fat.
So he calculates that once a week he'll eat a burger and a pizza and
Oh yes, cheat days already. All right then, Ayuk, just to ask you a last question,
Yeah.
and that is that this movie is so inspiring in so many ways. How did you get inspired while you were dubbing?
So I got actually inspired by him because he's always done so well. All of you know that he's my inspiration and I really love him, and he's the reason I'm doing this.
Who doesn't want a boy like that? I want to have a son like that. You are so adorable. Thank you so much for being so fierce, strong, so focused with what you managed there on screen. Super proud of you. Can you please clap for Yug right this moment? What a beauty! What an artist! आपने कितना इनको advice किया इसके dubbing के पहले?
dubbing के बारे में कुछ नहीं.
नहीं.
I just told him just be confident and go ahead and do it.